Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're having a wonderful day. I don't know exactly when this is going to post. It could be after Christmas. So I want to be sure and wish you all a happy new year, and if it's past Christmas, I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. Today I'm going to share with you another box that I get each quarter, and it is such a fun box, and if you're new here, stick around and find out all about it. And if you would, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like. I sure would appreciate it and have you a part of my YouTube family. And if you are my returning subscribers, well, you all know how much I love you and I appreciate you very, very much. Thank you for being here. And today we're going to have the Relax and Radiate crate. And I can't wait to get in here. This is heavy. I have no idea what's in there. Relax and Radiate crate is the girlfriend box. And I forgot to mention that, girlfriend, from AARP. They curate a wonderful box. It's only $50 a quarter. So it's packed and it's got lots of items in it and it's very affordable. Now we are also going to have a Relax and Radiate crate Christmas cheer giveaway. Whether this is before Christmas or after, I'm still doing my giveaways for the month of December, so be sure and stay tuned for that giveaway. It'll be number 6. So here we go. This here is an advertisement for Saratoga olive oils. So I wonder if we're going to get some olive oil in this box. I don't know. That was on top. Here's a little sneak peek. We have several items in here. We usually do have a product card. Let me see if I can find it, and I think I just found it. All right, well, let's see what they have in store for us. This is their card, and everything's going to coordinate in these pine cones. Maybe not everything in here will be those colors, but everything's going to coordinate, and it looks like we have a long sleeve bamboo cotton sleeve shirt. I've gotten another bamboo shirt from them. It was a light green, and bamboo is very soft. Look at this. Isn't that nice? This is a sleep shirt, and you can tell it's long. Nice and long. You could even wear this as a t-shirt with leggings, around the house and or maybe to run to the grocery store. Long sleeve bamboo cotton sleep shirt is what they call it. This is going to be very soft. I love that color. Let's see if they have any more information on here. Featuring loose and roomy design, comfy sleepwear, and a must-have for a night of good slumber. So basically it's just telling you what you would already know if you know anything about bamboo. I have bamboo sheets. They are fabulous. So this is really going to be nice, especially after it's washed and dried. Love that. Now they do not do values, like product values. So you can just take a gander at that. Being bamboo, it's probably around $30 or more in value, but they don't give us a value. Now the next item that I'm seeing here is in this little pouch here, and this is a Kenneth J. Lane. I have on Kenneth J. Lane 1 carat earrings that I got out of my Ellen box. And let's see what we have here. Looks like we have a silver tennis bracelet. Ooh, well, let's take a look at this. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, wow. That's beautiful. And it's got the claw clasp on there. And I'm not going to put that on right now, but I do want to show you how beautiful it is. That is just gorgeous. And then there is a coupon here for friends and family to receive 60% off, and the code is FF60. Very nice. The next item I'm seeing, it says stitch your own tote bag kit. Okay. For all you people that like to do a little bit of crafting, we've got a complete kit here, and look what's on there, the pine cones. So guess what this is going to look like? Oh yeah, it's going to look like our box. And you get everything you need. I used to do some stitching. Is this like an embroidery thing? It says one side of this tote features a festive print for tracing and filling, while the other is blank for your own design. It includes the loose hoop, and it includes the threads and the needle to thread it, and you can begin stitching. Now guys, I'm not a stitcher boo. I have crocheted before, and I have done like stitching or embroidery, but it's been years ago. I'm not saying that I will do this. This may be a gift for somebody. This is what the tote, when you embroidery it, it's going to have that cone on there. So it's going to be in the colors that we have in our box. These are the colors, so they match up with what I showed you as far as their product card and their magazine. So very, very nice. The next item is a reusable fabric gift wrap, and that's right here. Ooh, look at that, it matches our box. It says here, this is a reusable fabric gift wrap. Eliminate waste with this reversible and durable gift wrap for either season or timeless use. It's just plain on the other side. Now I could use that for other things besides wrapping. I don't know that I would use that for wrapping a gift or not, but the idea is there to reuse, and it matches the colors, and this could be used, I think, as a scarf or as a table cover of a small display or something like that. Would be very pretty. The next item I have is festive greeting card set, and they're going to be in the pine cone, of course, and they're going to be notes. On the inside, this is what it looks on the outside. It says the girlfriend from AARP, and on the inside they're just blank note cards. Those will be able to use any time of the year, especially around Christmas or the winter with the pine cones on there, and they're all the same. Something like this would be valued around $10 or more, I think. They're pretty heavy and they're big. The next item that I'm seeing is an olive oil dipper plate. Look at this. Isn't that awesome that they have this in here? This is a great lifestyle box. I know a lot of you might be quitting FabFitFun because of what happened with the debacle with the X channel or Twitter. So this could be a great alternative box, and I'll have a link down in my description. I don't know that they do referral codes for anything. For $50, they probably can't. They try to keep their costs down. But sometimes they do have specials, and you can find them on Facebook usually and other places. Maybe Instagram. But look at that. You know how you put your olive oil in there and you have your bread, and you go like to an Italian restaurant like the Olive Garden. And then on top of that, they also sent us a Saratoga olive oil company. This is a gourmet for dipping. That is wonderful. So you just pour some in there, get us some bread, and we're ready to party. And I think this is like an excellent gift. And of course that stays put, so it's not going to be moving around. It says it's a cleverly integrated design of this custom platter. Lets you serve your bread and olive oil for the dipping all together. So that is just really excellent and a very cool gift. Like I said, this box is excellent. The next item that I'm showing you, because I've already shown you the olive oil, and I love that, and I bet you that's a great brand and gonna taste well with my bread. The next item I have is Alasma Studios. It's embroidered bookend, it says, and that's what this is. So I'm assuming I do have a book. Is that something that you slip on your book? I don't know. I've never had anything like that. And this is my book by Kristen Hanna, The Four Winds. And it says these beautiful embroidered fabric corner bookmarkers are handcrafted by women refugees. So isn't that cool? So you would have this on here, and then that would be your marker to mark your book. So that is very clever. And then we always get a book in this box as well. So this may be the only choice this month, so everyone may be getting this book. It is The Four Winds by Kristen Hanna, and it says, Praise for the Four Winds. Hanna brings Dust Bowl migration to life in this riveting story of love, courage, and sacrifice. She combined gritty realism with emotionally rich characters and lyrical prose that rings brightly and true from the first line. In Elsa, a woman who fiercely defends her principles and those she loves, Hanna brilliantly revives the ghost of Tom Joad, and I'm not sure who that is. It says the storytelling of this propulsive and this contemporary relevance of the novel's themes, among them how outsiders are unfairly blamed. And as a master storyteller, Kristen reminds us that the human heart and our earth are as tough yet as fragile as a change in the wind, a timely novel highlighting the worth and delicate nature of nature itself. That sounds very interesting. It says from the first line, the four winds. It said, Dad, this one's for you. So she must have lost her dad. And this is in 1921. To damage the earth is to damage your children, by Wendell Berry, farmer and poet. And the first line is, Elsa Wolcott has spent years in enforced solitude, reading fictional adventures and imagining other lives. In her lonely room, surrounded by the novels that had become her friends, she sometimes dared to dream of adventure of her own, but not often. Her family repeatedly told her that it was the illness that she survived in childhood that had transformed her life and left it fragile and solitary, and on good days she believed it. That's our first paragraph, and it sounds very good. It looks very thick, got about 450 pages. It sounds really good. They usually have a New York Times bestseller. So that is the last thing that I have in this box. We have the book, we have our olive oil and tray for bread, we have our olive oil, and then we got our note card, we got our material wrap with the pine cones on it, or you could use it for decor. Got our bag that we can stitch the colors on there as a little project. We got this beautiful bracelet, and we got information about the Alsama Studio. And that's what this was right here. It's from Refugee Women. It says, thank you. We hope you enjoy your embroidery bookend. These hand-sewn fabric corner bookmarks have been expertly crafted by refugee women from quality recycled denim and are designed to reflect the stories, resilience, and creativity. Producing these bookmarks for your box has provided these women and girl refugees with a source of income and opportunity to develop and refine their skills in embroidery, sewing, and other traditional crafts. And it says about them, they are an artisan workshop located in Shatila refugee camp outside of Beirut in Lebanon. So that's where they are. And we specialize in creating unique homemade products, including accessories, clothing, decor, and toys. Wholly run by 50 women living and working in the camp, we empower displaced women and girls through traditional craftsmanship, providing sustainable employment and fostering personal growth. We celebrate resilience, promote cultural heritage, and create pathways to a broader future. And this is more where you can learn more about them if you're interested in maybe helping support them and purchase some of their items. So that is my box. I love it, and I love the story behind this. Anytime we can help battered women, young girls that's been rescued, or refugees from another country. And that's going to be one of my favorite things since they're doing something good to help somebody. And then my second favorite thing is going to be this beautiful tennis bracelet. And of course, I loved everything. If I picked another favorite, it's going to have to be my olive oil. Yeah, that was great. And that book sounds wonderful. So you let me know your favorite items. Forgot about this. This is a favorite too. So this box was packed, and that's what I'm telling you. If you're looking for a lifestyle box, you may be interested in the Relax and Radiate crate. So now we're going to get on with the giveaway, and I hope you're still with me. That was a long process there. You're going to receive a Relax and Radiate crate yourself in number 6. And on this, our code word, I'm going to go ahead and tell you, is going to be crate, C-R-A-T-E. And it may not come in that box because I've got everything in this bag. But if the cost of it is not much difference than the $10.40 for this, then I may ship it in the box. But for sure you'll get it. And in here we have all kinds of items from past Radiate boxes. The giveaway rules. Let me go over the rules real quick. You must be 18 years or older or have a parent's consent in order to receive the products and to receive the prize. You must have an address in the continental USA. You can live anywhere, but it must be mailed in the USA by the U.S. Postal Service. I'm not responsible if it's damaged or lost. You must be publicly subscribed to Miss Jackie Russell. Use the code word CRATE, and you must comment on all videos in this Christmas Cheer series. If you don't want to enter this giveaway, but you have entered others, you still need to comment on this video. If you have used the code word but not commented on all the videos and be publicly subscribed to Miss Jackie Russell, you'll be disqualified, just so that you know up front. YouTube and Relax and Radiate Crate, your girlfriend from AARP, none of them are affiliated with this giveaway, and if you're allergic to anything or have sensitivities to certain things, I'm not responsible for allergic reactions, and any other rules will be down in the bottom. First item that you're going to receive is this adorable bee tea strainer. Isn't that just absolutely adorable? Item number 2 is you're going to get Petty in a Box. This is a deluxe 4-step lavender relief for your feet, and that is very nice and smells wonderful. You're going to receive for your hair a hair towel, and this is by the Girlfriend box. And I think all these products in here are going to be from the Girlfriend. You will also receive this nice massager, and it is very, very nice. It is good for dry brushing and massaging the skin. It detoxes your body a little bit, so it's very nice. You're going to receive the Sun Art Kit, and these are card kits that you do using the sun. And it's very interesting, and you don't want light to get to it, so that's why it's in this dark bag. But there's instructions in there, and there's 10 art cards, and they're blue. Just looks like nothing's on there, but when you set it out in the sun, it's going to change. So it's a nice little project for you to do. And you're going to receive this thrilling debut of The Favor, and this is by Nora Murphy. It's a brilliant, gripping, dark, and superbly written debut. I was transfixed by Leah and McKenna and the deftly woven plot that connects them. Nora Murphy is one to watch, so she's a new author. It was taut, compelling, and deliciously dark, it says. I love following the parallel lives of Leah and McKenna, two strangers whose actions tie them together forever. The Favor is a page-turning debut that will have you questioning the length you'd go to save someone else, even though it's you that needs saving. So this is a very good book, but I'm going to pass it along. And those are the items in giveaway number 6. This is another lifestyle box giveaway and our bag, but like I said, if it's not that much difference, I'll ship it in the box. So it all depends. But if you're interested in this giveaway for number 6 Christmas Cheer series, use the word CRATE. Make sure you comment on all the other videos, and you will be eligible to enter this if you're publicly subscribed. But as for today and my Radiate Crate Winter 2023 and my Christmas Cheer number 6 giveaway, that's all I have. Be sure to check that description box for the other Christmas Cheer giveaways and any others that might be available. Right now, I think that's all that there is. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.